Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I create a PDF file for free? Choose a file and upload it to our PDF creator. The conversion to PDF format should start right away. Download the created PDF or save it to Dropbox. Continue to modify the file if needed, otherwise, you're done. The 24th of September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Create a PDF on iOS and Android. Android and iOS include similar options to create PDF files. In Android, open the Share menu, then use the Print option. Choose Save as PDF as your printer. In iOS, tap the Share button in an app, then tap the Options panel at the top.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Follow these easy steps to compress large PDF files online. Click the Select a File button above, or drag and drop files into the drop zone. Select the PDF file you want to make smaller. After uploading, Acrobat automatically reduces the PDF file size. Sign in to download or share your compressed PDF.
Take our lead.
How to convert JPG to PDF online. Upload your image to the JPG to PDF converter. Adjust the letter size, orientation, and margin as you wish. Click Create PDF Now, and wait for the conversion to take place. And that's all there is. Save the converted PDF to your computer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.